you had invested just 50,000 naira in Tesla stock 5 years ago, you would have over 600,000 naira today. The question is, what's stopping you from being part of the next big win?
Most people think investing in stock is for the rich. No. What if I told you investing in stock is the smartest and easier way to become a millionaire? The problem is nobody tells you how to start small and scale up. But don't worry, that's why we are here for you, to break it down for you. If you finish watching this video and follow the principles that we are going to be showing you in this video, 3-5 years from now, you will become a billionaire.
The earlier you learn this, the faster your money starts working for you, because money doesn't sleep, and if yours is always sleeping in your account, you are losing big time. So today I'm teaming up with one of my favorite finance creators, Eunico Financials, a pro when it comes to stock investing. Together we are breaking down something that's usually confusing for most beginners: how to start investing in stocks, where to invest safely, and most importantly, how to scale your investment over time. Whether you are watching this from Nigeria, the US, or anywhere in the world, this is the kind of video you will look back on and say, that's where my investment journey really began. Let's start with a simple truth. Money saved is good, but money invested is far better. When you keep your cash sitting idle in the bank account, it's quietly losing value to inflation. But when you invest in stocks, you are buying a piece of a company. That means when that company grows, you grow too.
Exactly. Stock allows you to own a fractional shares in most of these big companies all around the world. You don't even have to be rich, you have big money before you can invest in these companies. Companies like Apple to Dangote to Tesla, these are companies that you can be part owner with just as low as $1 to $5, $10, 1,000, 2,000, 10,000. You can invest in this stock. Guess what? The beautiful thing, most of these have to invest Optimus, Bamboo. As time goes on, you start adding up, scaling up, adding to it, topping it up. That's how you become a millionaire. But remember, it's not overnight though. It's not something that you can just wake up one morning and boom, you're a millionaire. No, it's not overnight thing. It's a gradual process. Over the time, you keep scaling it, you keep scaling up, you keep scaling up. Before you know, 3-5 years, 10 years from now, you're already a millionaire.
Okay, so let's say you are ready to start. Where do you begin? First, you need a reliable platform or broker. For beginners, I usually recommend platforms that are regulated, beginner friendly, and easy to fund, especially those that support African users. You can start by opening an investment account on Bamboo, Trove, or Risevest. That is for Nigerians anyway. eToro, Robinhood, or Schwab for US or international users. Then learn the basics: how to read stock charts, what dividends and capital gains means, and how to research before buying any stock.
Yes, exactly. Let me add to this. Don't just invest in stock because you found it in the internet or because people are talking about it. Make sure you know what they are into. Company like Dangote, now we know that Dangote is into cement, is into oil and gas. The market capital is high, and there's a tendency that that company will do well. Investment is not gambling, it's investment. That's why it's called investment. You allow your money to grow, allow your money to compound. Give it years. It's not something that you can just put in and withdraw.
Now let's talk about the big question. Where should you invest? This depends on your risk tolerance and goals. If you're a beginner, start with blue chip stocks. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Dangote Cement. They are stable, consistent, and great for long-term holding. But if you want a bit more risk and potential reward, look at growth stocks. Companies in tech, renewable energy, or healthcare. This might be volatile, but they have huge upside potential.
ETFs is my favorite. That's why I invest in ETFs. If I want to just invest in one thing that I know I can just put my money and go and sleep, is ETFs like S&P 500, Video. This company has so many companies under it. Like S&P now has almost 500 companies under it. There's no way out of those 500 companies, 80% will not do well. I recommend for a beginner, you can also do that. If you just want to put your money, you don't really know much about stock, and you don't want to stress yourself about looking for stock that are nowhere, just put your money gingerly in ETFs.
That's the pro tip right there. ETFs are perfect if you are still learning and want safer diversification. Once you've started, the next goal is to scale. Grow that portfolio steadily. You scale by consistency. Invest a fixed amount every single month. Dollar cost averaging. Reinvesting your returns. Don't withdraw dividends. Reinvest invest them. Tracking performance. Review your portfolio quarterly. Learning continuously. Keep watching finance creators like Eunico and myself.
One mistake people make is not allowing their money to grow. They just put their money, the next thing they want to withdraw it. It's not good. Stock is a long-term piece, so give it some time, give it years to grow. 3, 5 years, 10 years is enough. If you can't wait for 10 years, at least maximum 5 years. Allow your stock to grow, allow it compound, allow your money work for you. Relax. It's not every time you start cracking your head. Just allow it work. That's what stock really is.
And that's it. Real investors think long term. You can't plant maize today and expect jollof rice tomorrow. Let your money grow quietly. Then one day, you will realize your investments are paying you monthly without you lifting a finger.
If you stay disciplined, I kid you not, you will be shocked how far your money has grown for you. So stay disciplined, stay consistent, stay true to yourself. Even your future self will thank you later.
Massive shout out to Eunico Julie Financials for dropping gems today. If you enjoyed this collabs, make sure you check out her channel for more in-depth guides about stock investment. She's a guru. I'll be tagging her in the description below and the link is in the description as well. Also, let me know in the comments, are you already investing in stocks or are you just about to start? Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs to start investing today. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more real life money strategies every single week. Because remember, it's not just about working for money, it's about making your money work for you. So whatever you do, never stop making money.